We've made it to step 4. So at this point, we're going to upload our current project and get some feedback from a fellow SB chat participant. So right now, I have a pretty good rough draft of what I want my flyer to look like. Oftentimes, I try and ask someone to proof my flyer or my graphic just to see if they understand the gist of it, or maybe they have, some type of lens or eye that I may not have had. So I always like to get feedback, and I think it'd be pretty productive if we got feedback from each other. But first and foremost, in order to get feedback, we need to download our image and upload it onto Twitter. So we are going to be pressing this download button right up here, top right, and it's going to give us a couple of options. Right now it's recommending me to download as a PDF because it is a flyer size, so that's why. And once we get a little further on, I'll give you a couple of more tips on why you would want PDF. But for our purposes, because we are downloading it and needing to upload it onto Twitter, we need to download it as a JPEG and simply click download. From my experience, I would hold tight on this Canva page because if I go off to another page, it just doesn't quite download, or I haven't found it to download. So that's why I always stay on this page. Right now it has successfully downloaded, and as you can see, it shows up right here down below, or in your case it might show up in your downloads folder. So at this point it's ready to go, and I'm ready to upload it onto Twitter so I can get some feedback.